I went my whole life kind of being blind to the fact that, your body is absolutely magnificent and it has consciousness. It's smart. Your cells are smart, right? These things are always listening. These have a vibration. How are you breathing automatically? How are you going into different consciousness when you're sleeping? How does your body operate? Not telling your stomach to break down the food that you're ingesting, white blood cells to go attack, and the red blood cells to carry the oxygen. You're not doing these things. So one of the biggest things is you can talk to your body, right? And this is a study of science called kinesiology. So one of the things that I started to do was start to talk to my body and start to find the frequency that my body was operating on, because you're in charge of your body. So once you understand how to communicate with it, it's there to help you, it's there to guide, and you can start to morph and rejuvenate your cells and heal much quicker. So what I like to say is kale. I call my body kale, like cells are always listening. Just stand there and ask yourself a question, right? Say, hey, should I take a walk today? And feel what your body does. You'll either sway left or right, which is no, or sway forward. A lot of people use pendulums, right? So this is just kinesiology. It's your energetic field and it's responding. It's your innate, it's your intuition.